Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be about this wig that was sent to me from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of the direct links and the promo code information down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below for more information. Included in my wig kit, I did receive bobby pins, a comb, hair clips, a wig cap, a foldable wig stand, conditioner, and flyaway tamer. The name of the wig that I received is LFW016. I did get this in a Yaki texture. I did get this in 20 inches, and the wig does come with a 6-inch fake scalp in the color light brown. The wig does come with 3 combs, an adjustable strap in the back, and it does also include an elastic band for extra security. So here's how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package and place it on your head. Look how flat this wig is. Like, I am so surprised at how flat the top is. I don't even have to do much to this wig. It's literally ready to be worn straight out of the package. The hairline on this frontal is a little bit more square than my round hairline, which means that once I put this wig on, you will be able to see my hairline where my temples are, because my hairline comes out more, if that makes any sense. That also means that I cannot custom cut my circular hairline out of this square hairline. So I know that I'm going to have to add baby hairs where my temples are, just to get rid of the fact that my hairline will be there without wig coverage. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I will be doing the beige method to customize this hairline. Although the hairline looks super natural when you first take it out, I do have a few tweaks that I normally do to all of my wigs. The first thing that I'm going to do is put my wig cap on top of my wig head, of course, and this is basically acting as my scalp color, so I can know exactly how the wig is coming out as I am customizing it. I am going to pluck some hairs from the hairline, doing my beige method of zigzag parting, and I am just going to take some of that extra density away from the hairline. I don't want it to be too thin, especially because there is a fake scalp behind the perimeter of the hairline, and if you pluck too much, then you will be able to see that fake scalp once you put the wig on, and I don't want that to be the case. So I am going to be very mindful of how much hair I am plucking as I am doing this method. Okay, I think I plucked enough from the hairline. I think it looks really, really good. And if I need to pluck more, I can always do that after the wig is installed onto my head. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling this hairline. I am super impressed by the knots. They're completely invisible. We don't have to do much work to them, but because this is a fake scalp on this wig, the perimeter of the hair needs to match and blend in with my skin color. So I am going to have to tint the lace on the perimeter of this wig. I do have a custom lace tint that I use. If you're interested in knowing exactly how I created it, make sure you guys click somewhere on the screen to be taken to that video, or check down below for the playlist. All right, so we're just going to spray that custom lace tint around the perimeter of the wig where the lace is, of course, and we're going to blow dry it. We're going to do 2 different layers of that lace tint. Okay, for styling, I will be grabbing my Chi Silk Infusion product, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this on the hair just to give it some sheen, some natural shine to it, because it is Yaki. Yakier textures do tend to be a little bit more dull than the silkier texture, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that serum on the hair before flat ironing it. I want this hair to be bone straight for the style that I'm going for today, so I'm just going to grab my flat iron. I get a lot of questions about my flat iron. This is by Baby Bliss. This is their Prima 3000, and I'm just going to use my chaser comb to flat iron through this hair. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like someone's head. Like, this looks like the back of someone's head for real, which is so scary. It looks so natural. It's insane. Okay, to add the finishing touches on this wig, I'm grabbing the flyaway tamer and my hot comb, and I'm just going to finalize the style by getting rid of those flyaways that I have at the top, just so that it's completely flat, sleek, smooth, and nice looking. And I'm also going to be wearing some of this hair out of my face. I'm using that flyaway tamer kind of like an edge control as well, and I'm grabbing my hot comb and just going over it just to make sure that everything is smooth and silky. Now, I know y'all know my mannequin head's name is Keisha. Keisha is really happy with her hair. Keisha is feeling this hairstyle, y'all. I think it looks so good. Like, that hairline looks amazing. But of course, because my own natural hairline is a round shape and this is more of a square shape, I'm not going to be able to custom cut my own natural hairline out. So I am just going to have to wing it a little bit. I do have a little bit of a widow's peak, so I'm just going to cut the widow's peak out at where the parting space is, just so that it can match my own natural hairline. But as far as the sides of this wig, I'm just going to cut it in the shape that they already gave me. I'm not going to do nothing extra, y'all, because we don't need no faux pas happening. But if you are new to my channel, I typically have a replica of my hairline that I would just grab my razor blade and I would just razor through the wig to cut off the lace. But like I said, we're just going to go with the natural hairline on the left and right that the wig came with. And when we get to the front, I am going to do a little widow's peak there just so that it can blend in. And you can better visually see what I was talking about. Do you see my hairline, which is that marker? And then you see the wig hairline, which I'm cutting now. There's like a obvious difference in it. So I'm going to have some baby hairs right there where you see that gap at. All right, to adhere this lace down onto my skin, I'll be using Got To Be their Ultra Glue Gel as well as their Got To Be Freeze Spray. I'm just going to apply that to my hairline, blow dry it in between. I am doing 2 different layers of it. Then I'm going to place the wig onto my head, making sure that it is in the exact placement that I want it to be. And then I am going to use the rat tail end of a comb just to press it down into my into my skin. And then I am going to do those baby hairs that I was talking about throughout the whole video, where my temples are, and then I'm going to put my headscarf on for about 20 minutes. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check down below in the description box. I'll have all of the information, some promo codes, some direct links. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.